For my daily grind, this machine is silent, fast, and cool. The M4 chip paired with the 16 gigabytes of RAM means I never have to think about closing apps or tabs. It just works. The battery life is where I found a slight trade-off. Apple claims the same up to 18 hours as the M3. In my testing, which involves a lot of web browsing, document writing, and streaming, I was consistently getting about 13 to 14 hours. That is fantastic. It's more than a full day, but it does seem to be an hour or two less than what I got on the M3. My guess is the more powerful 10-core M4 chip just sips a little more juice. It's a trade-off I'm willing to make. The Apple Intelligence features are here, but they feel very beta. It's neat to have AI help rewrite an email, but it's not the game changer Apple is marketing it as. Right now, it's not a reason to buy.